Before I will start or begin my blackboard illustrations, I will recite to you this Philippine preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino, imploring the aid of the divine providence in order to build a just and what do you call this? Just and humane society. Establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations. Promote a common good, and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations. To conserve, develop our patrimony, the blessings of independence and democracy, and a regime of trust, justice, freedom, peace, liberty, and equality. In a regime of trust, justice, equality. In a regime of trust, equality. Do ordain and establish the government of the Philippines. So help me God. It's all over here. I was missed somewhere else. Here is already. To continue, we will go to now the next topic. Before I will start my illustrations, I will recite another one. About the group of animals. This you can find this in the narrations of the Not Your Wild, or yung tinatawag na yung sa Not Your Wild, yung discoveries, nandun sila. A gaggle of geese, a swarm of bees, a colony of insects, a school of fish, a pod of whales, a pride of lions, tigers, hyenas, ano pa, a band of gorillas, a herd of a herd of goats, goat, buffaloes, etc. What else? Camel, soul, collies, fish. Later again, I forgot the others. Here is the Gangal group of animals. You can see that in not Joe Wild, yung animals. And dito sila sinasabi din na Rene. If you are watching this one, ninanalit nila yung mga ganito. Skull of fish, pot of whales, pride of lion. Yan. For the young and kids, take note, remember this one. The roles, standard roles. In the so-called MDAS, I already discussed this one. Multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. Let's go to addition. Remember this one. Positive plus positive equals positive. Negative plus negative is negative. Here, greater positive plus positive is you follow the greater one, positive. Negative, greater negative. Greater negative plus positive. You follow the negative side. I'll give an example. 712. The answer is positive 19. Here, negative 7, negative 12 is negative 19. This is in addition. Here, greater positive, for example, 12. And then negative. So the positive sign is greater and you follow the answer. Negative 12, positive 7 is negative 5. Ayan. Yan ang standard. Makikita nyo later yung sa higher application nito. subtraction. Subtraction now. So we like put like this. This is the sign. So you will not be confused. 7. Take note. In subtraction, I put this sign already to identify the signs. You have to change the sign. So here is already positive. We have to change to negative. Take note. So this is now apply the rules in addition. The rules in addition, since this is greater, the answer is 5. Another one. Positive 12. Negative 7. Here, take note. Negative sign we have to change. So this is positive. So now both are positive. The rules there is once, and then you follow the rules in addition. Since they are the same, all you have to do is add the two numbers, 98. It's automatic positive 19. Another one. Negative 12. Positive 7. You have to change the sign. Since they are both down, the sign is negative 19. What else? Another one. 12. Negative 12. Negative 7. Take note, you have to change the sign here. So the sign is positive. So negative 12 and positive 7 is negative 5. Yeah. Take note, the method here, you have to remember the rules in addition and then the subtraction. Okay, we go to the next. Multiplication. The rules, standard rules in multiplication. Positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative is positive. Take note, always if the sign is negative, always positive. That's the difference in rules in addition and subtractions. If it is negative in addition, the answer is negative. Here in multiplications, always positive. But unlike signs, is always negative. Whichever is higher or lower, always negative if they are unlike signs. Same thing with negative times positive, also negative. Basta unlike sides, they are negative. Let's let's give an example of this one. Twelve times 7, positive 84, negative 12, negative 7, positive 84. Here, negative 12 times 7 is negative 84. It's either the reverse. Positive 12, negative 7 times negative 7 is 84, negative 84. There you are. We will encounter later on how to apply this one. Let's go to division. The rules in division is almost the same. It's only a reverse of the reverse of the multiplication. That's the reciprocal of the multiplications is division. Negative divided by positive is negative. Take note, unlike signs, it's the same, it's always the same, negative, vice versa. Positive divided by negative is negative, but in multiplying of like signs, dividing like signs is the same. The same rules is a positive, negative divided by negative is positive. Yeah, almost the rules is the same, but in implying there's a difference in changes in division. I will give you an example. It's so easy now in multiplication. Let's go to division. 36 divided by 12. If the same size, so take note the application here. 36 divided by 12 is 3. 3 times 12, since both are positive. Now, take note, since they are positive now, we cannot deduct there. You have since in division. This is the technique now. This will apply to your rules in subtraction. You have to change the sign to negative. So since they're already negative, it will become 0, because you cannot just, what do you call this one? You cannot just deduct without changing the sign, because when you say both are the same sign, you have to add 72. But since in rules in subtractions, you have to change here in the division sequence. Yeah. Let's go to another one. Negative 36 divided 12. 36 divided by 12 is negative 3. Negative 3 is negative 36. Take note, they are the same, you cannot add, you have to change. So you can now perform the subtraction. That is, yeah. So this is correct. Another one. Negative 12 times negative 36. Negative 36 divided by negative 36 is positive 3. Take note, positive 3. When you multiply, it becomes negative 36. So what should we do? We have to change the sign. See, it's become already. Do we have another example? I guess it's okay now. It's very clear now. Let's go to another one. Least common denominator. LCD, least common denominator. Since we are common denominator, that is the so-called fractions, I will tell you. For example, let's try to solve this one. Example 1. Three, 4 plus 2, 6 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 4. Take note, before I will answer this one, I will give you the rules here. If all the denominator are the same, all you have to do is bring down the denominator. As your common, bring down as common. For example, let's say 3, 4 plus 2, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4. The answer is one denominator only, 4. 4 divided by 4, 1 times 3, 3 plus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 2, 2. 4 divided by 4, 1 times 1, 1 minus 4 divided by 4, 2 times 1, negative 2. The answer is combined or like terms. Like terms is 3 plus positive 3 positive 2 is positive 5. Negative. Like terms negative 1, negative 2 is negative 3. So 5 negative 3 over 4. So the answer is 2 over 4 or 1/2. Reduce to lowest term. 1/2 yan. Okay. Let's solve this one. We have to know how to find the LCD, least common denominator. I don't have to write yet because we have to solve the... In finding the common denominator, we have to find the multiples of 3. The multiples of each fraction: 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 1 up to 20 for this one. 2 the same. We have already 2 here. So the most common multiples here is 24. I guess yes, 24. There is no lesser than yes, 24. So the common denominator, the LCD, is 24. Now we start. 24 divided by 4 is 6 times 3, 18. Plus 24 divided by 6 is 4 times 2, 8. Minus 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 1, 3. 24 divided by 4 is 6 times 2, 12. Combined like terms, 18 plus 8, 26, negative 3, negative 12, negative 15. So 26 negative 15 over 24 equals 11. Take note, we can no longer reduce this one because we have the prime number. A prime number is not like 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Like that, the prime number, we cannot reduce anymore. Okay. So you have also the composite number, you have memorized. If composite number, it is factorable. Like the composite number of 4, 6, 8, 10, 9 also. Because 9 is factorable. 3 by 3. Yan. And so on. 11, no, 12. 14, 15 is composite, is factorable. Or as long as you know already, it's so easy. As long as you know whether factorable or not. GC, greatest common factor. GCF, greatest common factor. What do we know about the GCF, greatest common factor? What do we get here? In LCD, it's about the multiples. This is factor. This is you have to factor given number. For example, this will help in reducing to lowest. For example, give you an example. 316. 12, 15. 4, 9. So what do we do in 316? We can no longer reduce, take note. We cannot reduce anymore this one because one of this numerator or denominator is already unreducible. It's already a prime number. We cannot reduce anymore like 3. You cannot reduce this one. So this is not factorable. We cannot reduce 316. Let's go to another one. 12 and 15. What are the factors of 12? Take note, we have to greatest common factor. Ibig sabihin, yung the biggest